welcome back to my channel, and today we will be talking about how you organize outside of your refrigerator. If you're like me that you cannot keep up stuff and you're forgetful, so stay tuned and let's go. So this is a dry erase board which you can find in Walmart, and it's like $3. And that magnetic measurement there, it came from the mail, so I put in there. It's a magnet, and it includes also the two white magnetic circles, and the other one is just an extra, and it's a calendar also. And I put a small calendar. If you want to find some calendars, you can find it online and print it out if you have printer. But this one, it came from the mail as well, so it's just kind of a small calendar. See, that's a small calendar. It's very cute, and there is a dry erase pen in here, so you can write anything on the erase board. Mostly you can put your schedule in there, and also I draw a cute moon in there, so it's just a design, so it's kind of simple and in kind of like minimalist. And also you can put notes. If you wanna put notes, you just insert there. These shelves in here, at the side of the refrigerator, I found this in Goodwill for like 98 cents. So what I did, this one is $1. I found it in $3, $1 for that one. So if you have appointment also, so if you have appointment card, you can just put inside. See, I got one appointment card in there, so you don't get lost, just in case just in case somebody will erase the words on the erase board, you have a backup. So, and also this is the phone book, and you can put recipes or numbers in this book. And I have a calculator, which I'm not good in mathematics, so calculator is way to go. It's the pen. You can put anything in there, but for now I put the pen in there, so that's it. So for my hairstyle for today, I did this. I forgot the name of that. I just took this out on my right side. That's what happened. It's kind of curly in the right side, but I didn't take out the left side, so it's kind of stylish. This is what happened when you remove everything. So both are curly. I don't know if this will be, oh my god. So what do you think is the best style? This one or the other one? Like, it feels like my hair is volumized. And that's all for our video for today. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, please like my video. And also, please comment down below so I can visit your channel as well. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!